Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. Man, what's good, man? If you have never, if you're into dirt bikes, cars, and you've never seen my YouTube channel, man, you should check it out. You like four-wheelers, you like big boy trucks, you just like having a good time. That's what my channel is all about. Everybody that's been tuning into this channel, that's a subscribe, that's a comment, I appreciate you, I really do. But I'm supposed to be headed to work. I might be a little late, but we gotta get the toys right, you know what I mean? So this vlog gonna be an interesting vlog. I just want y'all to stay tuned. We will get this TRX450 will be fixed one way or another, man. Y'all best to believe that. So I'm running a little behind, but I'm gonna get up out of here. I made sure everything was strapped down really good the other day when I loaded it up. So yep, y'all stay tuned. Got the two 350s right there. Yeah, I know it's big 350 stuff going on over here, you know. But yeah, man, I had to go ahead, bring the truck in here and take the other car out because JSP doesn't have time to deal with it right now, but he will begin to it. As we always know, when JSP goes in, he does what he does best, man. I don't know what's going on with it. I believe he said something about something to do with the stator clutch, if I'm not mistaken. Something along that line. So, man, this thing been at the mechanics. As you can see, he did put the air box on there. He did put the new filter on there. He did put the new stator on there. He put the new starter on there. He did add new parts, and just wasn't getting the results that we was hoping for. I believe he went through the wiring. We put a new computer on there, the CDI. So yeah, man, that's it right there. So I'm just putting it away with the other three, with the other two. So now it brings a total of 3 quads total. I'm trying to get it in the picture where y'all can all see all 3 of them. You know, I'm gonna try to trade up. My goal is to get a YZ450. I believe that I'm just gonna keep on running through these, and I may actually start purchasing other four-wheelers and flipping them. I think that'll probably be more beneficial, being that I don't plan to stop. We will be taking a cruiser really soon, probably January or so. I'll be taking the Boulevard over there, and we're gonna do a couple mods to it and make it a little bit more cool. May actually go with a stunt style of bike, but we'll talk about that later. I will probably be picking up the thinner because I think that's the only thing I really need, and a little bit of reducer this week to paint the Monte Carlo. And I'm gonna work on my daughter's car a little bit, get that right, and we'll send this one off. With the Nerf bars, it makes it hard for me to load and unload by myself. So that's the reason why I went this route, because I didn't want to unload it and then have to reload it, and it was just gonna become way too much of a headache. So I just went with this route. It just seemed like a lot smarter. But yeah, man, I've still got a lot of space. You know, just looking at it, I could have possibly had a truck and 2 cars in here. I'm pretty sure if need be, I could bring the Mustang in here if I needed to, if the weather was to get too bad, and probably scoot this one over, put the Mustang right here, and then put the dually in. I always want to keep space for the Mustang so when the weather gets bad, I have somewhere to take it. So I probably would have to move the motorcycle, scoot the car over, bring the Mustang in, and yeah, I'm just always trying to picture how it's go. But I'm finna get up out of here, folks, man. But hey, y'all stay tuned. Got a lot of progress happening. My fleet right now is currently at 7 cars. 3 of them are projects though, 4 running cars. And I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the Monte Carlo together. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot that paint. But if you like performance, if you like big trucks, if you like lifted trucks, if you like bodied cars, you like all that type of stuff, this is the channel that you need to be watching, because I got plenty of projects, plenty more to come. But you gotta hit the like, you gotta hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. It's free. You know, I'm cheap. Trust and believe, man. If y'all hit that button, man, and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, it'd be greatly appreciated. In return, I'm gonna give y'all the most lit, dope content I could possibly produce. But other than that, man, it's a wrap, and I'm out the shop for tonight. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna shut it down like this. So y'all stay tuned. Man, I pull up to the gas station to get some cigarillos. And look who I see. Old Sugar. Man, my woman pulled up here to the gas station. I know that's our car. We slowly finna make it custom. Shit, the boy got that 5-0. Hey. What you doing? Let me drive this car home.
What?
Let me drive this car home.
Oh, Lord.
Let me drive this car home. She wasn't expecting to catch me up here at the gas station. When she pulled up, I said, yep, that's it. There she go. Look at her. A hard-working woman.
Yes. Can I?
Oh, let me get out your way. I just came to get some cigarillos, but I seen you up here. Thought you might want me to help you pump your gas.
Oh, you want to help me pump my gas?
I didn't want to, but I mean, I will. I didn't come here for that purpose, but
Would you $2?
$22 and we filled up. We in there, Jack.
It's getting low.
So you gonna let me drive it?
Yeah.
Man, she ain't gonna let me drive this car, man. Y'all see, baby, she out here. You need anything out the store?
Huh?
You need anything out the store? Man, this thing look good. Damn, this car looking good. All right, baby, I'll see you in a minute. Damn, this car look good. Go ahead and we load it up. Make sure everything kind of secured and everything. Because I did not want to unload this thing, being that those Nerf bars, they always catch the tailgate, and I'd be really struggling to get them up, and it's always dragging on the tailgate, so it's impossible for me to load this one by myself. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this one start. Go ahead and get this one start, pull this one on out. I gotta go grab everything out of my other car. I got the key for it in here for the TRX. So that's good. This truck ain't been fired up in a few days, so. As y'all can see, it got 300-something thousand in this truck. But it's starting to throw a cold now. let this warm for a little bit. I'm almost getting where I'm trying to go. I've been thinking about masking that little bottom piece off. I damn near want to take the fenders back off of this thing. I really do, because I already messed up this mount, so I'm just all ready to make it look like a car, you know? Sometimes I be like, am I overdoing it? You know? Gotta put more effort into it. You know, if I focus on something more important on the car, because it needs so many things. But I'm gonna do the cosmetics part to the max. That's for sure is gonna happen. So I'm trying to think if this is. Yeah, man, let me get up out of here, man. I'm supposed to be at the barbershop here in a little bit, start fooling with these cars and bikes, and I ain't gonna want to go. But let me unload the car, pull this truck out, pull the car in, and we can go ahead and get this day started. So y'all stay tuned. Yes, sir. We got the man. Don't be pulling no slip and fall now, Jay. All right, let me give you a hand, man. So as y'all can see, my boy, he made time for me. Busy man. But I know shit finna get right, man. My day just got better by seeing my boy come and get this joint, man. So I'm gonna throw y'all on time lapse real quick. And what you gotta tell them folks, man?
Here, man. Let's see what we find.
Wow. See how they jacking my style. How your boys liking me now? I could've quit, but I did it.
Actually, gotta get it out of gear and push it forward. We can't go forward.
Yeah, we can, just a tad bit.
Yeah, just a little tab.
And then you want to put the tire behind it. Boy, I done fell in love with Snapchat, Jay. Say, Snapchat's where it's at, bro. Man, get baby right, man. You ain't hear that thing make no sound, nothing.
Yeah.
And then you can tell it's been out in the rain. Look at my chain.
It ain't gonna be on the rain no more.
Look at all the rust from where the boot scuffs was. And that's what I was looking at. I'm like, damn, man, I ain't never even done. I don't treat my shit like that. You know what I mean? You know, we treat.
Let me know.
Yeah, I need this motherfucker up and running. I need to be dependable, man. I need to be dependable, man. Shit, if you tell me that we need a new top end or bottom end or whatever you tell me, man. Let me see if we can close it up now. Ain't it?
All the way back again, buddy. I should have brought my trailer.
All right, so I just want to jump on here and just let y'all know that I sent the four-wheeler off the TRX450 off to JSP, and he bust the motor down. He came and picked up the four-wheeler Saturday. It's what, Monday? He gave me a full report in less than 24 hours of what was wrong with the four-wheeler and the parts that's needed. The parts aren't cheap. I looked at it's a one-way, some kind of clutch, like a basket looking deal. I didn't order that, but I ordered like some of those gears that he recommended. I got gaskets. Evidently, he did not use the correct way of sealing it. And with JSP, he's all about doing it like how they did it from the factory or better than the factory. That's how he is. He really was disappointed that I bought a cheap starter. It is what it is. I try to save some money. I try to cut some corners, and in the long run, all the corners that I cut just caused me to be further delayed. But I'm back on track now. You know what I mean? Whatever time I lost fooling with a buddy, it was 3 weeks. I gained it all right back in a matter of a day. JSP got to the bottom of it, so that's why I'm always like with JSP when he say, "Hey man, I need da 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 da. I need whatever, whether it's parts, money, a combination of both, whatever it is I could do." I just tell him, you know what I mean? Like, hey, I'm a little behind right now. Da 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 da. It took me a long time to put Slimer together, but now I done went through the process of doing the frame up, four-wheeler. We're working on the Monte Carlo. Hopefully really soon I'll be able to do the frame up on it and be able to talk about how that feels. Well, actually it won't be a frame up, but a partial frame up. Just because I just cleaned the rust off of it. I was thinking about maybe possibly having new bushes put in it, lifting it off the body and really getting to it as far as the cleaning up the frame. Maybe buy some body bushes, and then I'm gonna go somewhere where I can get a lift and lift the body up if everything goes good, because I just don't want to have that shit jacked up in the corner sitting on some boards. But if need be, that's okay as well. But I'll probably eventually replace the body bushes on it when I move back. Right now I'm just trying to get under the hood buttoned up on that Monte Carlo. So that's just how that is. But I'm headed to the shop. I just bought a bunch of material, different papers, some tapes, some reducers, some thinners, some of the much needed things that I need for the shop. And I'm gonna go back over the inventory, and I'm always gonna be just trying to get this shop in order so I can start doing my wraps. And I'm gonna buy a little bit at a time. But I may be taking on some work here soon. I've been looking at some different cars. I'm even looking at a Sabre convertible. Possibly having somebody build a donk. Doing some metal work on it with a metalwork expert that he builds and fabricates metal. We got that going, possibly coming up in the near future. And I may have some little fender benders that I may just knock out here and there. I kind of been offsetting a lot of that. But right now I'm headed over to my shop to drop off some stuff, organize some things, and then start doing the interior of my daughter's car. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned.
That's it. Alright. Yeah. Telling my mama I'm next. Telling my mama. Yeah. Yeah.
Not myself.
Wow. See how they jacking my style. How your boys liking me now? I could've quit, but I did it. I just been flexing my fitness like wow. Wait till I hop in the jack. Wait till I got me a bag. Wait till I cash out a check. Telling my mama I'm next. Gotta like wow.
I went ahead, I just ordered a whole bunch of parts for that TRX450. JSP done already bust the motor down. He told me that buddy didn't use the right sealants. So I bought gaskets. I'm buying different stuff, man. All kinds of stuff, bearings and all kinds of stuff.
Yo, bitch, I hop out the crib. Bet you they like how I live. Bet you they loving the kid. I fuck it and dip. Know that I'm never gon' slip. Keeping my hand on the grip.